Hello students, welcome once again, and in this section we are going to solve for x in this expression over there. So we have 7 base exponent 5s minus 2 equal to 11 here exponent s minus 1. So now you realize that the bases here are not the same. So since the bases are not the same, we can't equate the exponent. So what we have to do is to apply log on both sides. So we apply log on both sides, and therefore we have log base we have log 7 exponent 5 s minus 2, then also the log of 11 here x minus 1. Right, now one property of log is that if you have the exponent, this exponent drops in front here, so we drop it down here, then we have log 7 left, then also we drop this here, we have -1 and log 11 here. So what we are going to do next is that since we have x minus 2 here, now log 7 is just 0.845, and also log 11 here is just 1.041. yeah, so we expand now. So when we expand this, 5s multiplied by that is just 4.225 x here, then 2 multiplied by that is just negative 1.69, being equal to 1.041 x here, then minus 1.041 here. So we have 4.22 x here minus 1.041 x here, being equal to negative 1.041 here plus 1.69 here. Now 4.225 minus 1.041 is just 3.184 x here, being equal to 0.649 here. So what we have to do in order to find x is that we divide both sides by 3.185, then we have 3.185 here, then this cancel that, and we have x being equal to 0.204, approximately equal to that. So that will be for x. Thank you very much for joining me in this section, and I'll see you in another section.